Alright, in this task we're going to display the invoice number, product model, quantity, order date, time, and collection date and time, customer name, number of days taken from the placing order until it was collected. So clear information or clear fields. Let's go back to our fields over here and let me over. Okay, what you can see over here that I have already added all the fields that we're needing. The thing is, we need to calculate the date it was taken from the day of ordering till the collection date. So we're going to only use these two dates. So over here we're going to create a new field. Let's call it days or days, okay, and then colon. After that I'm going to use the first field, which is going to be collect date. So again, spelling is very important. Subtract it from the order date. Alright, let's check it now. Okay, I have spelling issues. I guess order date, and then I have collect date. I'm not sure where is the issue exactly. Let me see. It's an order date. So, oh yeah, okay, I found it. It's just this should be underscore. Okay, so you can see I got the days over here. In case you cannot get it in the correct way, check your properties, and in your format make sure it is a general number. So let me check. Yes, make sure it's just a general number, and it's better to be also with decimal number. I mean decimal to be 0 places in case it's not working with you, in case it's showing, so just leave it as it is. After that, let me check the question back again. So yes, that's all. We just need to make it into the report. So let's go back again. Let's save it and make it into the report. I don't want it to be cropped, so this is the best view. Okay, and then just finish it. Okay, I think it was better if I did it into a landscape, and I need to adjust everything. So let me adjust it and then I will show you the final picture. Alright, that's the final look, and that's the end of this task. Let's move to the next one.